Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a review of a brand new Gabor wig for October 2017, and that's called Modern Motif, and the color is GL29 31SS, also known as shadow shades or soft shades in the case of Gabor, Rusty Auburn. I love this one. I do. I love it. I haven't even had it on that long, and I can just tell you, I love it. It's so voluminous though. Like if you are, not into the big hair thing that's going on right now with these curly styles and all the volume that they have in them, this is not going to be the wig for you. And I think that that's actually pretty evident from what you're seeing on the screen. I mean, this does not look like a low density wig, does it? Because it's not. She wants to be fluffed up. You can tell by the layering that this one's really meant to be fluffed, to give you that body, to give you that texture. So I'm gonna do that, because why not? But I just wanted to show you before I start doing this what she looks like out of the box, because you gotta play with her a little bit to get her to give you that volume. Really separate those layers. Now, again, don't do this unless you know you want to keep the wig. A lot of stores, including mine, don't really enjoy it when we get wigs that have been disrupted this much back as returns, because we like to leave it up to the person who ultimately ends up keeping the wig to decide how disrupted they want this curl pattern to be. Soapbox went over. She's got this luscious front on her. And it's already kind of curled a little bit off the face, so you can wear it down like I've got it. Oh, this one's so voluminous. It's definitely more like that photo of the model in the blue, as opposed to the girl that has the black shirt on with the sun-kissed beige on, because I mean she's got it really flattened out in that model photo. I mean, you can do that and she's still cute, but I don't know, it feels like kind of a waste when she's got all this potential to give you gorgeous, luscious, separated layers of big hair. I'm not afraid of big hair. I like big hair. I live in the South. The front on Modern Motif is about 5 inches. I'd have to cut these if I wanted to wear them down, because see how they just kind of go right into my eyes. Crown 8 inches, size 8, back 8, nape 4.5. Now that I've got her, appreciably fluffed so you can see all of the layers on Modern Motif, I'm gonna go ahead and do a 360 for you so you can see how cute she is in this lovely soft shades rusted auburn. I like this one. I think she's really cute. I do think that she fits kind of true to average. This is an average cap size wig, but Gabor wigs tend to be very stretchy on, so that's a-okay, I know that if I wear this one long enough, eventually she'll stretch out. So let me go ahead and show you the cap construction, and then we'll wrap things up a little bit. Modern Motif is a monofilament side part wig. The part is on the left, and she has a contoured lace front. Great thing about Gabor and Raquel Welch wigs is that on their lace fronts, the colors are not rooted, even if they're on rooted wigs. And that's great because it helps the knots blend in a little bit more with your skin. We've also got a generous amount of permatease on this wig on the side of the hair opposite of where the monofilament insert is. There's definitely a bob of permatease at the crown. We've got open sides and back. We have an extended felt nape with Velcro adjusters. And like I said, she's really stretchy. You see these felt ear tabs here. Let me show you the monofilament side part here. Now the sermon I give on all monofilament side part wigs is that, you gotta part it right in the middle of the monofilament insert. If you don't, you'll see a seam. And so that's what I'm taking care of right now. There you go. That's what that part looks like. Beautiful body, volume, texture, huge curls. These are not waves at all. Beautiful wig, lots of texture, definitely wants to be fluffed. So if you are scared of big wigs, stay away from this one. But I think that if you don't mind volume, in fact, you crave volume, you're the kind of person who misses the, being able to tease your hair and stuff like that, and you like texture and body, this is a great one. It's beautiful. It goes on easily. Here, I'll put it on for you again. Even with my average large head, she fits securely. Here, let me adjust these ear tabs. I get pretty good side coverage here. You can see my bio hair here, but pretty good coverage here. And the bangs are already kind of steamed off the face for the most part. So you can wear her off the face pretty easily, or you can wear those bangs down, and very easy to get volume with this one. I barely have to do anything at all. And she just looks like she came from a salon. I spent all day styling my hair, or slept with rollers in or something. So I really like Modern Motif. I think this one is super cute on. I think she's fun to play with, and I love the body and volume. So this is Modern Motif by Gabor in the color GL29 31SS. I'm Heather, I'm from CysterWigs.com. Here's how you spell the URL of my wig store. It's CysterWigs.com. Thank you so much for watching my wig reviews. Hopefully you like what we do here. And if so, be sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel so that way you don't miss a single release. We do our best to be thorough about, the pros and the cons of the hair. And I review a lot of stuff. So if you like watching a lot of videos, we got you covered. So until next time, I hope you have a great afternoon.